Create a 7 minutes video for YouTube about crispy sesame chicken schnitzel. The key to a great schnitzel is thin chicken, a good breading, and crispy frying. Ingredients: general guide for 2 servings. 2. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts, or 4 smaller cutlets. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1 large egg, whisked with a splash of water, egg wash. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, for maximum crispiness. 1/4 cup sesame seeds, white or black or a mix. Salt and pepper oil for frying, vegetable, canola, or similar. Instructions: prep the chicken. Place each chicken breast between 2 sheets of plastic wrap or parchment paper. Pound lightly with a meat mallet or the bottom of a heavy skillet until about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Season with salt and pepper. Set up breading station. Set up 3 shallow dishes. Dish 1, flour, seasoned with salt and pepper. Dish 2, egg wash. Dish 3, panko breadcrumbs mixed with sesame seeds and optional seasonings like garlic powder or paprika. Bread the chicken. Dredge 1 piece of chicken at a time. Coat thoroughly in flour, shaking off excess. Dip in egg wash, letting excess drip off. Press firmly into the panko sesame seed mixture on both sides to ensure a complete and even coating. Place on a wire rack or clean plate. Fry the schnitzel. Heat about 1/4 inch of oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully lay the breaded chicken into the hot oil. Work in batches to avoid crowding the pan. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown, crispy, and cooked through. Internal temperature of 165 F or 74 C. Drain. Transfer the cooked schnitzel to a wire rack or paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Season lightly with salt immediately after frying. 2. Miso mushroom rigatoni. This component brings a savory, umami-rich flavor from the miso. Ingredients: general guide for 2 servings. 8 Oz, approx 225 dri, gigatoni or rigatoni pasta. 1 TBSP olive oil, 8 Oz, approx 225 dri, sliced mushrooms, remini, shiitake, or a mix. 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 TBSP white or yellow miso paste. 1/2 cup vegetable broth or water. 1/4 cup creme fraiche, or heavy cream, optional for creaminess. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, or hard Italian cheese, optional. Salt and pepper. Optional garnish, chopped chives or parsley. Instructions: cook pasta. Cook the gigatoni according to package directions in salted water until al dente. Reserve about 1 cup of the pasta cooking water before draining. Sauté mushrooms. While the pasta cooks, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms and sauté, stirring occasionally until they release their moisture and brown, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add aromatics and miso. Reduce heat to medium. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the miso paste and vegetable broth, water. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring to dissolve the miso. Make sauce. Optional creamy finish. If using, stir in the creme fraiche, cream, and Parmesan. Let it simmer gently for 1 minute until the sauce thickens slightly. If it's too thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water. Combine. Add the drained pasta to the skillet with the sauce. Toss to coat evenly. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. 3. Salad. A simple, light salad with an Asian-inspired dressing will complement the chicken and pasta. Ingredients: general guide. A mix of greens, e.g., baby leaf mix, rocket, arugula, or baby spinach. Sliced cucumber. Optional: thinly sliced red onion, grated carrot, cherry tomatoes. Simple sesame ginger dressing. 3 TBSP rice vinegar. 2 TBSP olive oil or sesame oil. 1 TSP soy sauce. 1 TSP honey or sugar. 1/2 TSP grated fresh ginger. Optional salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: make dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together all the dressing ingredients. Taste and adjust for sweetness, acidity, or saltiness. Assemble salad. In a medium bowl, combine the greens, cucumber, and any other salad vegetables. Dress. Just before serving, drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat. Putting it all together, slice the crispy sesame chicken schnitzel into strips for easy eating. Spoon the miso mushroom gigatoni into bowls. Top the pasta with the sliced sesame chicken schnitzel. Serve the fresh salad alongside the main dish.